You know. Nah, I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm a cute dog. I'm cool. I like barking. Yeah, I was raised that way. I'm cool. Yep. Nah, it's good. I like that. So yeah. Yeah. Dogs out here. So anyway, yeah, this is my little tranquil video here. It's like coming up on I think this is like maybe like day 78. I've always enjoyed, beautiful streams and things like that. Q dogs out here. Yeah, yep. Yeah, the Q dogs out here today. So, okay. All right, now I can make my video. So yeah, this is I like this shit, man. I like doing shit like this. You know, it's nature, man. How often do you get this close to it? You gotta be able to appreciate that, man. And it's like, I'm surprised I don't see any life in here, really. I mean, I see this stuff here, but I don't see like any fish. Anyway, that's the shit I'm doing today. You see it's cold out here. Iced up. Yeah, that's ice. Yeah. We got some shit frozen up in there. Yeah. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. No big deal.
$107.5, $97.5.
Oh